happened. Y'all would not believe what just happened. Oh my God. Y'all would not believe. Okay, my Weezie Nation, I done finished restocking, reorganizing, refilling. So now I'm here on my MacBook, trying to get some bills paid. Okay. You see my little stand? It is holding up good, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. If y'all need one, like I say, go cop y'all one at Family Dollar, y'all. Nothing like this. And I'm on the floor. I tried it on the chair when I was sitting down on the chair, and I had it across my lap. Oh, it's just, I just love it. I just love it. So, but yeah. So now we about to pay some bills, some Billy bills, and yeah. Turn on my computer. Oh, but before we pay the bills, I got some comments on my YouTube channel. So let's see what's going on here. Okay. Real Life 4970. He says, looks delicious. Thank you, Real. And okay, comment, and I'm gonna say thank you. Okay. Who else? Okay. This is at Magpie. So 24. Sorry if I given the name wrong. 2470. Keep a hot plate. Keep a hot plate in the oven for me. That looks amazing. I'm hungry now. Just love how good the onions and hash looked. And I like your containers. Ah, thank you. Like hearts and thank you. I just love my stand, y'all. Thank you. Okay. All right, and that's all the comments I have to answer. Let's see, make sure I miss nobody. Okay. It was okay. Yeah. All right. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. So I done answered those. Now we go into the bills, y'all. Pay some bills. Pay some bills. First, that will be my telephone bill. Because I need that. I need that phone. Okay. Yeah, I need that, y'all. Can't do without the phony phone. Okay. Ooh. Phone phone. Where's my stuff? Oh. So yeah. So y'all, I'm about to pay some bills, and then once I pay some bills, I'll be back. And yeah. Y'all see the stand? Look at that. Oh. Stand. It's standing, y'all. It's standing. It is dancing. So I'll be back, okay? Okay, y'all, I got one down, 2 more to go. We got 3 more to go. I'm sitting here writing down the days, the day, the date, and the bill that I paid. I keep everything in my little paper. I don't know if y'all do it. How many of y'all write down what y'all done pay and how much it costs and all that? Comment down below and let me know. Or give me a put in the comments, raise your hands. That's how I keep. This is how I keep track of what been paid, what I didn't pay, and all that. Because I got everything written down, and plus I got a printer. So I got, after I finished paid online, I printed out and all that, put it in my little envelope with the bill. So yeah, so when they can, if they happen to come to me and say, "Oh, ma'am, you didn't pay this," I said, "Excuse me, hold up. Let me get my proof that I did pay, the date that I paid it, and everything." Okay, all right. Don't mess with me. So yeah. And plus, I write on the envelopes as well, paid and the date that I paid. So yeah. So it won't get no confusing and all that. So yeah. I don't play around, y'all. So yeah. Yes, indeedy. Y'all, cable is just too high. That's the bill I'm paying next. Cable is just too freaking high. Every time I take something away, they still lie. Every time I take something away from cable, next thing you know, the bill still come back high. How the heck? I got about, what, 2 equipment? But yeah, you still charge me an arm, leg, teeth, legs, and everything. Ugh, high. So yeah. So I'm about to go finish. I just wanted to come on and do a little vent on my bills. Okay, y'all, I done finished paying all the bills. So now, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share. What to say? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell a friend and tell more friends to come on over to Mama Weesie channel. And I want y'all to stay tuned for the next vlog. Make sure you keep that post notification bell on because you don't want to miss. I can't believe what just happened. Y'all would not believe what just happened. Oh my God. What? Y'all would not believe. I would not believe what just happened to me. Oh my God. I know y'all heard the noise. Y'all would not believe what just happened. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, what just happened? Oh Jesus. Look, y'all. Look. Oh, my stand broke. It broke, y'all. Broke. Oh my God. Now I gotta try to find a new one. I can't believe this happened. Look at that. Man. Oh my God.